So how does one calculate interest earnings? Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang. I've been teaching college mathematics for almost a decade, and we're here to talk about a very practical topic on how to calculate your interest earnings. Now, we're going to keep things relatively straightforward in that we're going to use a simple interest formula. You may have seen it before, but it's a pretty sweet and nifty formula for you. And the simple interest formula is of the form I equals P times R times T. Now, as you know, I is interest. That's how much interest you are interested in figuring out how much your account is earning. P is principal. That is how much money you are depositing from the very beginning, assuming that you don't take it out or add more in. R is your interest rate. And T is time, which is generally referred to in terms of the number of years that you will be maintaining this account, but it can always be adjusted. Now, we're going to go over a very simple example for you. Suppose you would like to invest $4,000 at 6% interest over the 5-year span. Now, it's a straightforward plugging in process, but the only thing you want to keep in mind is that 6%, you want to convert that to a decimal. So take that decimal point and shift it to the left 2 places, so 6% is really 0.06. But if you plug in those numbers where they belong, you will have I equals 4,000 times 0.06, shifting the decimal, then times 5. And basically, just let your calculator do the work there, just plug them in, and then at the very end, you should have the grand finale of $1,200. That is how much interest is being added to your account over the 5-year span at 6%, which is pretty darn good because you're going to take that number and add it to $4,000. So by the end of 5 years, under these conditions, you'll have over $5,000 in your account, which is pretty darn sweet. So, my name is Jimmy Chang, and that is exactly how you calculate interest earnings.